Hey everyone, this is Jamie with WeWrite, and today I have a cool update. The code base of WeWrite has been released. We are open source now. We're going to be using this strategy to garner more engineering momentum and get more eyes on the project to ensure that things are being built correctly and safely and auditable by anybody. If you go here to github.com/WeWriteApp, so we've got some issues in here. Some of them are feature requests and enhancements, and some of them are bugs. Very much building in public. I'm not going to be sharing out the link widely, like I'm not going to be marketing it, because you get into this and it's not very clear what you have to do. Account settings don't work. This boilerplate needs to be gotten rid of. A lot of things are still buggy too, like clicking on some pages is broken and there's not error handling. So there's all sorts of little things, but the main features that we need before we start promoting this is groups. So a group has users, which are members of the group, and a group also contains pages. That group could be private or it could be public, and if you're in that group you have elevated permissions. Normally when you're editing any page it should be sent to moderation, but if I'm in a group with somebody then we'll all just skip moderation and we'll be able to edit those pages immediately. So it's kind of like a trusted collaborators kind of object. And the reason that's so important is because I want to create a WeWrite group to migrate all of our Notion documentation over into that. And then additionally, scoping the homepage to the current user. Currently, this homepage shows every page, which is kind of insane. That'll become insane further down the road when there's like thousands and thousands of pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to show for you, the current user, you're going to see your pages and pages shared with you, and then you're going to see groups and groups you own and groups you've joined. Those are kind of like immediate on the roadmap, like next steps before we can do a full release. And then we've also got in here planning another thing that I haven't made an issue for, but the pledge bar, currently it looks like this. And I showed this in a previous video. It's gonna eventually look more like this, where you see the first section is used budget. This middle section is currently used by the page that I'm looking at. And then this is how much of my budget remains. And once you hit the end, you'll be able to increase your budget. So the main ask today is just be sure to follow us everywhere on social media so you get future updates like this. And if you are a coder, software engineer, please take a peek at the repo and make some pull requests or contribute issues or contribute however you'd like. Right now I'm just kind of getting in the hang of looking over pull requests. Super excited to see where this goes, and thanks for coming on the journey with me as I build in public. See y'all in the next one.